morning, I'm Adinda Najla Nurusyifa, delivering the latest news. In recent years, Storm Boris has hit Central and Eastern Europe, causing massive flooding and disruption. Heavy rains have caused rivers to overflow, submerging cities and cutting off roads. Thousands of people have been evacuated and many more are still at risk. Entire neighborhoods were submerged, bridges were swept away, and communities were lost. By the end of September 2024, at least 27 people had lost their lives in Central and Eastern Europe. Poland reported 9 deaths, Romania 7, Austria and the Czech Republic 5, and Slovakia 1. In Poland, the town of Bukolazi suffered a bridge collapse, and in Stanislavski, a dam burst, causing devastating flooding. Thousands of homes were damaged or destroyed, with more than 6,000 affected in Romania. Power outage affected at least 250,000, mainly in the Czech Republic. Rescue teams worked tirelessly, using boats and helicopters to reach stranded residents. The economic losses were staggering, with damage exceeding €2 billion. Local governments are working hard to ensure everyone's safety and restore essential service. Communities continue to support each other, showing strength in the face of adversity. For now, that's all the latest information from us. I'm Adinda Najla Nurusyifa. Thank you for watching and please be safe wherever you are.